I personally don't love grammar, but it's important to learn because using the correct grammar makes content easier to understand and it makes the communication process clear. So today we're going to learn all about the simple past tense. You'll also have a chance to speak in this video. I prepared a dialogue for us to do today. The line in red is going to be my line, and the one in orange is for you, and that is going to be your response. And if you're watching this video right now, this is the first video in my English for Beginners grammar dialogue series. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. Now, before we begin, just briefly, let's review what the simple past tense is. I promise you this is just going to be very short. Now, what is the simple past tense? It is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that started, happened, and ended in the past. It can also tell us the specific time when a specific action happened. It could be yesterday, it could be last week, last month, last year, or even last Monday. Now, the past tense can be regular, which means you can just add ed or d at the end of the base form of the verb to make it past tense. Or it can be irregular, which changes completely. For example, eat, ate. And now that's out of the way, let's begin. Remember, my line is red and your line is orange, and that is going to be your response/answer. So in the first part, you'll have choices below the blank lines. So choose the correct answer. Now let's start. Did you brush your hair this morning? Did he wash his windows yesterday? Did she paint her kitchen this afternoon? Did they study English last night? Did you and your friends play tennis yesterday? Did you and your grandson bake a cake yesterday? Did you go to the bank yesterday? Did she have a headache yesterday? Did you get up late this morning? Did your daughter make dinner last night? Did you buy a slice of cake yesterday? Did you do your homework yesterday? Did you write a shopping list yesterday? Did you read the newspaper this morning? And how about you? What did you do yesterday? How about in the afternoon? What did you do yesterday afternoon? And what did you do last night? Now let's review what we learned today. What is the past tense of brush? How about wash? How about paint? And how about the verb study? How about the word play? And how about the word bake? Great job. Now let's take a look at the irregular verbs. Now let's review. What is the past tense of go? How about have? What about get up? How about the verb made? How about the verb buy? What about do? How about this verb, write? And how about this verb, read? Okay, very good. The spelling is the same, but this in the past form is pronounced as read, just like the color red. I read a book last night. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn some English. And don't forget to connect with me on all my other social media accounts. I have my Instagram. And don't forget to join my private Facebook group. If you like videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I make English video lessons like this that focuses on speaking and conversation dialogues, vocabularies, and learning English using real life, real world English materials like the news article. And that is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.